If you start trading without understanding, you will lose money. Most beginners enter the market chaotically and blow their deposit in the first few days. Now I will show you how to start correctly step by step. First, choose a platform. You need a reliable crypto exchange with high volume and simple navigation. Do not pick random platforms. Work only with large exchanges that have liquidity. Second, do not deposit a large sum right away. Start with a small deposit. Your goal is not to make money, but to learn how not to lose it. Third, study the basics. How the chart works, where the trend is, and where the levels are. Your first trade should be as simple as possible. Only enter on a clear signal. No signal, no trade. This is a basic rule. Always use a stop loss. The risk per trade should not exceed 1 to 2% of your deposit. One mistake without a stop loss can wipe out your entire account. First mistake, entering without analysis. Second, trading based on emotions. Third, trying to make quick profits. Trading is not about quick money. It is about systems discipline and risk control. If you follow these steps, you are already ahead of most people. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what deposit you plan to start with.